Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of Fliff application. So the Fliff is showing an error code that is support code 10500. So in this video we're gonna talk about this error and also the ways to fix it. The following error occurs only in Fliff application and it prevents users from cashing out their earnings and also interrupt access to the application. The reason behind this error are server incomplete user profile, app crashing and incompatible devices. So first of all, check the server status of Fliff. If there's a server issue, then you have to wait. Check your internet connection and update the application timely. Secondly, complete your profile. This may also occur because of any missing information. So make sure to complete your profile. The next thing you have to do is to clear the cache data, and for that go to settings, open application, choose Fliff, go to storage and simply clear the cache data. Also make sure to check the compatibility of your device, and if you are using a low-end device then surely it will not work smoothly. If this method does not work, then contact the customer support by Fliff. The support team can guide you on resolving the issue. You can even follow the social media handles for information regarding temporary glitches. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit to our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.